Hi, this is a nice little magical game to play. Okay, and you start with this, indexes, several of them, cut from old playing cards, and they're all unique. No two indexes are the same. Okay? You should have a piece of paper here that's in view the whole time. You're not going to change it. Everyone sees that it's there. Then you show them all the indexes in your hand and shake, give it a little shake, throw it up in the air, and then you begin to take out all the face down indexes. Okay. One of that, and one of that. Then you gather all the remaining ones, shake it again, up on the table, take out the face down. Whoop. Right. Up. This one facing down. Take it out and get the last one there. Okay. And show them that exactly as you have predicted, the last remaining index is the 8 of clubs. Would you like to know how it's done? Okay, I'll show you how. It's so simple. All the indexes are actually one way. They're all one-sided, except the one that you would predict to be the winner. It's, it has a print on both sides. And then to make a double-sided index, you just need one. And you will remove, peel off a layer of this so that when you paste it on the other side, it will not be so thick. Every playing card has 3 layers. You can remove a layer by tapping on the edge. After a while, using your nail, you can peel off one of the layers. If you look like this, you're able to peel off. Just use your nail patiently to peel it off, and then it's going to look like this. Be careful because it has a tendency to get torn. See, it happens. Be careful when you do it. Okay. So you can get this whole layer. Right. See, it's thin. And then you spray a little adhesive on the back of this index. This. That's too much. Stick it here carefully. And you got it some more. Right. It's really a very simple secret. It's two-sided. But you will need a very small sleight of hand here. Notice that every card has this curve on the edge. You cannot do that with your two-sided index because the curve of the flip side will be on this side. So you cannot have two curves on the same index. So, when you're playing the game, we're throwing it in the air, nobody's really going to pay attention. They will not notice that. But at the end, when it's the last remaining index, they might be able to notice that if it is turned this way, the curve is on the wrong side. So what you will do, if it lands like that, you pick it up immediately, and when you show it with the proper orientation. So the curve is in the right place. But if it falls like that, then you don't have any problem. You just have to pull out your prediction and show that exactly how you predicted the outcome to be. So that's it, a fun game to play with a surprising ending.